Hi guys, good day to you. How are we doing? See, this airdrop, you don't need pin, you don't need the rubber band, you don't need anything just to tie your airdrop like that. So simple and easy to grab. You can see how I'm turning it. Yeah. So just tie that place, palm. Then if you want to tie again, you try to fold one, then untie it again. So guys, very simple, very simple to grab. So that place, I'm just trying to suck it that hand inside. Yes, I want to suck it inside. Yeah. Alright guys, continue watching. If you're returning viewer, thank you so much. And if today is your first time seeing my video, please subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my Facebook page. So you see that place, I'm trying to bring it out. Yeah. So the other place, I want to do it in the form of the first one. So I'll just suck that one inside little. Hope you get it. So we'll suck it inside. Then also suck that one to inside. Now we get this style. Hi guys. This is so easy and quick one. Easy and quick one. Wow. See how it's beautiful. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Bye.